set this up and then you just start, you know where pillar is, where that rock is?
Yeah.
Just put enough on up to that.
Right, no problem, mate.
Morning. Friday, innit? Love it. So, just me and Tom in today. Me and Tyler in today. Tom's gone up to Scotland. He's gone up to climb Ben Nevis. Fine weather today, tomorrow. Between 3 degrees and -3 degrees, raining. It's gonna be snowing, innit? So, anyway, whatever. But we are here today, me and Tyler, building this wall, as you've seen. We've only got 2 more. Look at this, yeah. 2 more to go. All the way down. Well taking shape now. It's just quicker, both of us on this. Tyler's bobbing gobbo down, filling gaps in. I'm just lifting a block on, putting it on. But yeah, yesterday's video with that annoying noise, like sounded like a bee behind here, some tennis courts, and they're renewing. By the sounds of it, they're putting a new fence up, but they might be putting new surface down, it's got diggers. So yeah, it's quite annoying. It's quite annoying, especially when I speed it up and it goes. So it's a bit annoying, but it is what it is, isn't it? Can't be all peaceful, can it? So yeah, I'm gonna go have some lunch now. Tuna and rice once again, and then we have got 2 more layers to go, which I'm happy about. Three more here, and then 2 more layers on top. Well happy. Friday. Say we might get an early finish. Be probably 3 o'clock. Always is. Yeah. So catch you in a bit. Right, that's it. Good view, innit? Actually see it now. Just got one more course to go on from that corner all the way down. On Monday, the plan is, obviously we've got Manchester, so we've got to leave for that for 4:30, so I'll be leaving here at 3 on Monday, so I'm not going to get any mortar. I'm going to dig this bit out here, get that foot in, push it right through. Should come to about here, but customer's going to watch this over the weekend, but it's going to come across and then step down at this side with this fence. As you can see here, let's have a look. These rocks here, from there, top of the fence, you can see how it drops down. So yeah, it's going to go all one level, 6 layers all the way through to them rocks. Probably that of 3 layers, probably that of 2. Something like that, we'll see. But yeah, feels nice. Putting something in. Feels like, how do you say it? An achievement. Getting that done today. So I got Tyler on it rather than doing 3 bricks. Put some gobbo down, 3 bricks. Put some, got Tyler, right, this is what we're going to do. Got him on trowel, showed him what to do. And then, whammo, easy. When you got a spare 2 minutes, bring that hardcore in. Then come back to me. Easy. Enjoyed it today. It's 2:30. It's actually quite early. Friday for me. It's normally the busiest day. Bear with me, moving to me. It's normally the busiest day on a Friday. End up going back at about 6 o'clock, then Alice dragging me to bloody Asda. But today, nice and early. So yeah, I will see you on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.